The 2026 Lexus LX 600 continues the legacy of Lexus flagship SUV with a refined blend of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Building upon the redesign that debuted with the 2022 model, the 2026 LX 600 emphasizes both rugged capability and sophisticated elegance, making it a standout in the full-size luxury SUV segment. It retains its bold and muscular stance with some minor styling enhancements, including subtle tweaks to the front grille, new lighting signatures, and refined aerodynamic elements. These changes lend it a more modern and commanding appearance while maintaining the signature Lexus design DNA. Under the hood, the 2026 LX 600 is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces approximately 409 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the powertrain delivers smooth, responsive acceleration with impressive towing capabilities. Lexus has also refined the engine management system for improved fuel efficiency and smoother power delivery. While there's no hybrid variant yet for the LX 600, industry speculation suggests that Lexus may soon offer an electrified version to meet growing environmental demands and consumer interest in sustainable luxury. The 2026 LX 600 maintains its body-on-frame construction, based on Toyota's GAF platform, which balances durability with improved ride quality. Off-road capabilities remain a core strength of the model, featuring a full-time four-wheel drive system, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and an adaptive variable suspension. These systems work together to ensure that the LX 600 can handle diverse and demanding terrain while still offering the comfortable ride Lexus customers expect on paved roads. Inside, the LX 600 delivers an opulent cabin experience. Rich leather upholstery, open-pore wood trims, and intricate detailing reflect Lexus' commitment to craftsmanship. The infotainment system is anchored by a 12.3-inch touchscreen with an additional 7-inch lower screen, offering an intuitive interface that controls navigation, climate settings, and off-road data. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a high-end Mark Levinson surround sound system that transforms the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. The 2026 model also brings enhancements in passenger comfort. The ultra-luxury variant features a 4-seat configuration with fully reclining rear seats, massage functions, and a rear center console with touchscreen controls, turning the second row into a first-class lounge. Ample legroom, superior noise insulation, and climate-controlled seating make long journeys exceptionally comfortable. Safety remains a priority with the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 suite, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system with an underbody view. These technologies provide drivers with confidence and peace of mind, whether navigating city streets.